Hey guys, welcome to another video here with SirMalo Performance. So today what we're going to do is replace these old tail lights. Let's go ahead and just get started. Go ahead and use my Bauer impact. It's just 2 screws. I'm going to remove it. Set that down. 2 screws. Push a little bit back. Slides out. Lefty, loosey, lefty, loosey, 3 and 4. That's 4 bulbs. 2 screws again. Set it off to the side. Push out towards you guys. Then lift up. Once we lift up, lefty, loosey. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is your tail light. Project Marco's gonna get some new ones. Let's see how much more these will differ from original. Hopefully you guys like them as much as I do. These do come with harnesses, but my harnesses work just fine. These are the original. These are the new ones. Practically identical. Just a little bit darker. So we're going to go ahead and install these. Righty tighty. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Top to bottom. Make sure you see your guide pins on the back. Push in.
What? Yeah, you can put on the other ones close. That doesn't matter.
A lot faster with the impact gun, but you can break some clips. Move on to the passenger side tail light. Again, fully assembled. Harness included. Down to the pigtail. Finish installing these. Alright guys, there's that. Pretty darn happy how it looks, by the way. Pretty good stuff. The next thing is going to be the 3rd brake light. I'll take care of that in another video. I turn on the tail lights just so you guys can see that it is nice and bright. I'm super sorry how this is cut and edited into this video. Push it again, that's the clutch way. It's the one in the middle way.
The one in the middle, you're pressing the clutch. There you go.
Duh. There you go. Yeah, you don't have to push it that hard, bro. Damn, man, I just changed my brake pads. Do it again, Wade. You just have to tap it. There you go, boy. Again. Turn on the flashers, bro. The emergency lights.
Up there. Right there.
Just so the people can see. Ah, damn, you can see right through them. You know what that means? That means you don't get pulled over so damn much. That's what that means. Nice and dark.
Press the brakes.
With the hazards on. Gotta check everything. Damn. Alright guys. Sorry for the jump cut. Let's get back to this. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned with more SirMalo Performance. Peace.